What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to be making some PVC parallettes and then seeing if it was worth the cost post-inflation. So why am I making parallettes? Simply put, I'm trying to learn how to do handstand push-ups without a wall, and I needed something to go deeper in the push-up, so yeah. So here's the plan. I need to pick up these materials, then cut out these pieces, and then glue them all together to hopefully get this outcome. First stop, of course, is Home Depot.
PVC fittings. Here, I just was right next to it. I just turned right instead of left.
After I found where I was going, it was time to get all the pieces.
So for these, 1, 2, 3. It's over my head. 3, 4, 5, 6.
If it fits, it ships.
Oh, yeah. That's mine. Cap is good. Yep. Elbows are good. 20. I can do a 10-footer. Nice. Yeah. Cool.
We will talk about this later, but this is when I realized this was going to cost more than I thought.
Thanks. Have a good one.
The PVC barely fit in my car, which I was surprised about.
As you can see, I got my PVC.
Once I got home, I organized all my materials and started measuring everything out. First, I started measuring the two 18-inchers, then I measured the four 8-inchers, and then I measured the 8 5-inchers. Then after double checking all the measurements, I went and got to cutting. Don't let the video fool you, my wrists were beat up after cutting all these pieces. After cutting these first 18 inchers, you can see the top start to come together on the parallettes. Wow. Then I cut the 8-inch vertical pieces. At this point, I'm getting stoked because everything's coming together really nicely. So I took a dance break. And then I cut all 8 5-inch feet.
Like that.
Before gluing, I just wanted to make sure all the pieces were good and ready to rock. I also did a little stress test to see how things were going to work out. And then on to gluing. I just need to preface that I've never done PVC glue before, so don't make fun of me, all right? I usually don't have issue with caps, but I could not for the life of me get these off. So I got an exercise band and popped them off. Then I added the prime. And then I added the glue and put the tops together. To straighten out the tops, I just made sure that I was on flat ground and pushed them evenly. This is where I did something a little different. I decided not to put on the verticals and glue them. I just decided to do the feet instead, and then use the verticals as kind of like an adjustment piece. And there you go. I had all the pieces ready and I let them dry. Once dry, I did a few tests. I'm a little scared. Okay.
Wow, there you go.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know if I like this. It's a little high. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't glue the verticals because they were way too high for me. So I made some 2.5-inch verticals instead. And this actually was way better. I highly recommend doing this.
There it is.
As you can see, way lower to the ground and just way more manageable. And I can adjust them back to the 8-inchers whenever I want. Okay, let's talk price. I paid $67.66 for everything. Keep in mind, I borrowed the ratchet cutters, and that saved me around $10 to $30. Here's a cost breakdown of what I bought and what I could have saved. I could have saved $30 if I didn't buy caps. Don't buy caps. If I already had PVC glue, I could have also saved another 10 bucks. Just a quick scan of Amazon. The price of parallettes is around $35. Without caps, the price is really close, which makes sense because PVC has only gone up around 10% after the pandemic, which is half the overall inflation of 20%. So yeah, I think it's worth it, probably up to spending around $70 because they feel good, are sturdy, adjustable, and extremely durable. But after that cost, you can definitely find some better metal ones on Amazon. But what do you think? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments. Also, please subscribe if you enjoyed the video.